He's turkey vulture. He's young.
Turkey vulture?
It's a young one. Maybe he's only like a year old.
It's just like a duck, right?
Yeah, he's young. He's watching us. Hey, don't scare him. He's watching us. He's like, what are they doing in there? We don't have food for you, buddy. I don't have a lot of food. I need to go grocery shopping.
Turn around.
He's in my phone.
Hurry it.
You scare him?
I did. He's jumped right away.
Yeah, he's watching us.
He wanna stay over here on our tree and rock.
We're watching you, you're watching us.